Okay, number fitness, set 5, week 21. Looking at question 1, we've got 1054 and we're multiplying it by 15. 5 4s are 20, 5 25, 27, 5 0 2 5 1 5, and then we're going to multiply everything by 10. So 4 5 0 1. We add them all together. We've got 0 11 7 8 and 15. So we have 15,810. 4,540 subtract 4,467. 0 subtract 7, we can't. 73. 1,000 times something is 290. Well, we've got 290,000 and something. Well, 290 divided by 1,000 would give us that something. So 290, and we're dividing it by 1,000. We look at the ones, that's our ones, and we're going to move them to the 1,000th place, and that will be the same as dividing by 1,000. So we're moving it to that place there. Then we write the number in, 0.290. Something squared is 25, that's 5. 3.9 plus 0.11. Just remember to make sure your decimal place is in the right place and your numbers are in the right columns. And you've got 1, 4.01. Now we have 283 times 7. Well, we've got 21 and 56. Add the 2, 14, add the 5, 1,981. So now we've got 9 subtract something is 5.2. If we've got our 9 here and we've got our 5.2, and that is the amount we're subtracting. Well, we know 9 subtract 5.2 will give us that question mark. So 9 subtract 5.2 gives us 3.8. Nine times a half is the same as half of 9. So it would be 4.5. Alternatively, you could do it as a fraction multiplication. You've got 9 over 2, which would give you 4.5 as a fraction, mixed number, and 4.5 as a decimal. 9,645 divided by something gives you 3, 2, 1, 5. Well, if you think of the process of bus stop method, something goes into 9 3 times. Well, that works out to be 3. We don't know if there's any carryovers. Let's try that. 3 in our sum, in our division sum. 3 goes into 6 twice. Yep, that works. 3 goes into 4 once with 1 carrying over. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So it is 3. 21 squared. Well, you could do 21 times 21. Which gives you 441. 100 times something is 1030. Again, we know that whatever the thing in the hundreds column has travelled from the ones. So if we do our hundreds, tens and ones, and our tenths, hundredths and thousandths, we know our 0 travelled from the 1 when it was multiplied by 100. And then we write our number in. There we go, done. 3/8 minus 1/4. Well, we know 1/4 can be made into 2/8 as an equivalent fraction, and then you can go ahead and subtract. 3/8 minus 2/8 is 1/8. And that's